Wow, today was day one of D. Williams' launch, leverage, and land workshop, and it was nothing short of amazing. Even though I've been in business for 5 years, I found so much value in just taking a step back and rebuilding the core of my company, focusing on those foundational elements like our goals, our vision statement, our mission statement, and even our philosophy. When you are a business owner, it's very easy to get caught up in the day-to-day of running a business, but I found that revisiting these essential pieces was exactly what I needed to realign and elevate my business to the next level. I've been working with Dee for about a year or a little over a year on various aspects of my business, but this really hit home in terms of me realizing that it's really important to have these foundational elements in place. You can't build a skyscraper without having a solid foundation. And that's exactly what this workshop is all about, getting those fundamentals right. And let me just also say that Dee Williams is absolutely phenomenal. She brings such energy and enthusiasm and, everything, with everything she does, she brings energy and enthusiasm. And that's from the moment she starts talking, there's never a dull moment. She makes even hard work fun. And that's what I love about her. So I am beyond excited to see what the next couple of days bring. And I would say if you're thinking about taking one of these workshops, you definitely won't be disappointed.